Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about this AI-powered research assistant platform, which is Vocal. So to get started, Vocal is an AI-powered research assistant designed to help users quickly understand and work with complex scientific papers, PDF, and online articles in 2025. It's especially popular among students, researchers, and professionals for its ability to summarize document, answer questions, and organize information in seconds. You can upload a paper or paste a link, and Vocal AI Copilot instantly break it down, giving you a clean summary, directly citations, and even more allowing you to chat with the document. It also includes semantic search, highlight tools, offline generators, and the ability to auto-draft essay or blogs from research materials. The minimalistic, focused big space help you read smarter, stay organized, and avoid distraction while studying or working on a project. Voca offer a free version with limited upload and queries, while pay plans start around $12 for full access to customization, AI search, citation features. There are also a discounted student highs at about $3 to $4 per month. Users also praise the platform for saving time, simplifying dense materials, and offering helpful outputs like formatted sequence in APA and MLA and other citation styles. However, AI response may occasionally requires manual review, and some users report a short learning curve when adapting to its workflow. Still, for anyone who regularly handles academic and scientific reading, Vocal is one of the smartest and most efficient research tools available in 2025. So let me know in the comment section what you think about this AI platform. And if you find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.